University Grant Commission Net Bureau. Paper 1. New syllabus from June 2019 onward. Subject journal paper on teaching and research aptitude. The main objective is to assess the teaching and research capabilities of the candidate. The test aims at assessing the teaching and research aptitude as well. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit consecutive abilities which include comprehensive analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of arithmetic, de- uh, detective and instinctive reasoning. The candidates are also expected to have a general awareness about teaching and learning process in higher education system. Further, they should be aware of instruction between people, environment, nature, resource, and their impact on the quality of life. Note: 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks, are to be set from each module. Whenever graphical periodical questions are set for cited candidate, a passage followed by equal number of questions and wedges be set for visually impaired candidate. Teaching aptitude. Teaching concept, objective level of teaching, memory, understanding and reflective characteristics and basic requirement. Learner characteristics of adolescent and adult learner: academic, social, emotional and cognitive individual differences. Factors affecting teaching related to teacher, learner, supporter material, industrial facilities, learning environmental and institutions. Method of teaching in institution of higher learning: teacher centered versus learner centered method, offline versus online method, SWAM, uh, SWAMPA, MOOCSC. Extra teaching support system: traditional, modern and ICT based evaluation system. Elements and types of evaluation: evaluation in choice based, credit system in higher education, computer based testing, innovation and in evaluation systems. Second, research aptitude. Research meaning, type and characteristics, positivism and positive approach to research. Method of research: experimental, descriptive, historical, quantitative and qualitative. Method: step of research, thesis and article written. Format and styles of referencing. Application of ICT in research. Research ethics. Comprehension: a passage of text be given, questions be asked from the passage to be answered. Fourth, communication meaning, types and characteristics of communication. Effective communication: verbal, non-verbal, interculture and group communication. Classroom communication varies to effective communication. Mass media and society. Mathematical reasoning and aptitude. Types of reasoning: numbers series, letter series, code and relationship. Mathematical aptitude: frictional, time and distance, ratio, proportion and percentage, profit and loss, interact and discounting, average, extra. Fourth, logical reasoning: understanding the structure of arguments form, structure of category, proportions, mode and figures, formal and informal, faceless, uses of language, constitution and deconstitution of terms, classic square of opposition, evaluating and distinguishing, detective and instinctive reasoning, analogues, Venn diagram, simple and multiple use of establishing ability of arguments, Indian logic, meaning of knowledge, preeminence, particulation, prescription, ammonia, infection, eupenia, competition, Sahveda, verbal, testimony, arthropathy, impection and enunciability, non-apprehension, structure and kinds of phenomena, inference, Vikati, universal relation, Hathaway's faceless of influence. Data interpretation, source acquisitions and classification of data, quantitative and qualitative data, physically represented bar chart, histograms, pie chart, table chart and line chart, and mapping of data interpretations, data and governance. Information and communication technology, ICT journal abbreviation and terminology, basic of internet, email, audio and video conferencing, digital designing in higher education, ICT and governance. People development and environment, millennium development and sustainable development goal, human and environmental interaction, astrophonic activities and their impact on environment, environmental issues, local, regional and global, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste, solid liquid, biomedical hazard, electronics, climate change and its socio socio-economic and political dimension, impact of pollutants on human health, natural and energy sources, solar, wind, soil, hydro, geometrical, biomass, nuclear and formats, natural hazard and disease, migration strategies, Environmental and Protection Act 1986, National Action Plan on Climate Change, international agreements, efforts, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Convention on Biodiversity, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliances. Higher education system, institution of higher learning and education in ancient India, evolution of higher learning and research in post-independence India, Oriental conventional and non-conventional learning program in India, professional, technical and skill-based education, visual education and environmental education, policies, governance and administration.